Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I have the Motorola Edge 4D Neo with me, and this is the box the phone comes in, and we will go ahead and look inside the box. This is the phone. We'll take it out now, put it aside, and then in the box we also get a charger and a cable. And now we will go ahead and set up this phone together. So this is what the phone looks like from the front, just like any other phone, and then this is what it looks like from the back. So now we're here at the start. We can make emergency calls and set vision settings. We can select our language. English is just fine, and now we can say start. We can connect to a mobile network. We have a separate video for that, so we say skip, and then we can connect to our Wi-Fi, which we want to do so we're able to download apps and stuff. So now we come to privacy and software updates. Motorola collects and reports usage information to keep your software up to date, provide personalized support, and improve products and services. Data collected will be transferred to Motorola service in the USA. You can change your privacy preferences anytime by going to settings, privacy, and Motorola privacy. So we can now say what we want to enable and disable here. So help improve Motorola products, enhanced device support, optimize battery use, smart updates. Some of these things are actually nice to have, and some of these things you can turn off. So you can say accept and continue. Now we come to copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more. So you can now say don't copy or next. When you click on next, the phone will guide you through the next steps that you need to take in order to copy apps and data. But we don't have another device we want to copy apps and data from, and sometimes it's also nice to just start fresh again. So we say don't copy, checking info, and now we can sign into our Google account. We want to do that as well to be able to use the whole Google services. We say next, and then we need to put in our password. If you click on show password, it will show you your password, so you can make sure that you put it in correct, and then you can say next. We publish the Google Terms of Service so that you know what to expect as you use our services. By clicking I agree, you agree to these terms. You're also agreeing to the Google Play Terms of Service to enable discovery and management of apps. And remember, the Google privacy policy describes how Google handles information generated as you use Google services. You can always visit your Google account.google.com to take a privacy checkup or to adjust your privacy controls. Alright, so you don't have any other option than say I agree or don't add this account now. If you click on the blue words, you will be transferred to another site where you can read more about, for example, the Google Terms of Service, and make sure that you agree with those. Google Services, tap to learn more about each service, such as how to turn it on or off later. Data will be used according to Google's privacy policy. If you click on that, you get to more information as well. Then we have use basic device backup. You can turn that on or off. We have use location, allow scanning, send usage, and diagnostic data. If you turn off the use location, the allow scanning will be turned off automatically as well. So that can only be turned on and off manually if the use location is on. If you make your settings here, you can click on accept to get to the next page. And here we can choose our search engine. So the search engine you choose will be set as default in a search box on your home screen and in Chrome. The app will be installed from Play. You can install other search apps and reconfigure your home screen and Chrome at any time. So if you click on these little arrows here, you have more information about each search engine. DuckDuckGo, for example, we don't track you, privacy simplified. Pretty quick and easy. So we will choose that for now. as said, you can reconfigure that at any time. So we say next, and then we can set a pin for more security and to, well, secure our phone. We have a separate video for that. So we say skip setup for pin and fingerprint. A pin is required to set up a fingerprint unlock. So we say skip, continue setup, continue to have your device fully configured with Google services and more, or leave now and get a reminder. So we can say continue or leave and get a reminder. We say leave and get a reminder. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. All right. Stay in. Join millions of Motorola fans who receive exclusive information about product launches, events, tips, software updates, and much more. So by turning this on, I agree to receive push notifications and confirm that I am 16 or older. I say not now, not now. That's not all. By registering my email, I agree to receive exclusive information about product launches, events, tips, beta tests, software updates, and much more. No, not now. And now we can choose our navigation style. So we can choose between the button and the gestures, tap each button to go back home and manage apps, or the gestures, swipe from edges to navigate back home and manage apps. You can decide for whatever you like best here. I will go with the buttons and then I'll say next. And then we're on our home screen, ready to go. Explore your device, personalize your device, Moto tips on and tour, and Moto secure. Maybe later. So this is our home screen, and from here we can go on and make some settings. But that was the initial setup of the Motorola Edge 40 Neo. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.